5 little ducks went out to play over the hills and far away. Mama duck quacked in a gentle way, "Come back home, don't drift away." But only 4 little ducks swam back today. 4 little ducks splashed in the stream, floating along like a happy dream. Mama duck called with a quack so clear, "Come back home, my babies dear." But only 3 little ducks paddled back near. 3 little ducks waddled in a line, searching for berries on a big green vine. Mama duck called with a caring sound, "Come back home, safe and sound." But only 2 little ducks could be found. 2 little ducks played in the sun, chasing fireflies, having fun. Mama duck called with a hopeful cheer, "Come back home, my dears, come here." But only 1 little duck came near. 1 little duck wandered around, lost in the grass with no one around. Mama duck called with a trembling quack, "Come back home, please come back." And all 5 little ducks came running back. Mama duck hugged them feather to feather, happy to have them all together. They splashed and played till the day was done. 5 little ducks under the setting sun. La 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 la.